Good morning, parlak. Pedang sobai pi syakani ka YouTube channel jangi ti mentang ngala don hangi hapo friends ngala mi na hotel ti say hi to my viewers. Say she's my colleague and I just met her yesterday.
Yeah.
Do we are colleagues but we are posted in different location. I'm being posted at Shillong and she's being at the central office Delhi. Okay, so dia minta ngila mood balik no siya po hall ngila mi na po kamera mo but di ngin kadi kasngi sin bading kong yang bangan wan hakanika conference international conference bala pen ya daka di Union International but dia ngila ya daka jat komnya na marka kito tang nyo minute tingila ya jat dia ngin pen ya ta dia phi ya ka jing itana jong ka nong ba Paris kuri shibuan saya page share subscribe likes dia dah pipet minta kapor hang ni kadang day tang pala baje dia dah pipet ki cafe ki restaurant baru ki la ya plelut ki jinya smart gini te internet ka jakaru ka internet bah pet dia minta ngala poi hang ni po conference building ke hab register ni dia sure bang dunga hab register kalong kai ka ba lamo hangi kai program ke long haju kilong na jong kerjaan ki don na ki room te hangi tu foto ki don na jong te mentang ila ya wan hangni ha McDonald but ngin ya order hangni tole te kini ki don hangni
आप वेलिडेट ऑर्डर करो
जे हम तो गिला यो ऑर्डर इकिने गिला हब शुबा में तकी जुबा फ्रेंच So how are you feeling regarding the ordering of food? They all are writing CCC. Look how they explain. Okay, we are talking in English and they are talking in French, and all the write-up is in French, so it's so difficult for us to understand. Kalau kai ka ba bahayangi na malaki thol da ki French ma ki kintin French tengi ti shaning ikran be da ka English and hang ni ki akran da ka French hadin katu bangilayam karen coba ka bam pan ngilayo mentah ni kalau kai ka ba sultanat pade bangilaya negotiate ka ba ma ban ngilaya pan da ka Ktien French rukum tahing la translate ban keren da ka Ktien English rukum tahi tinglayo finally da ka bam hang ni ti ki jajing shini kita nat bha ti shini ki last tang ban decorate ikini ki Christmas tree Christmas decoration kila sedang habat kawai padlong bang aku bende 2 PM shani kalong ba man laki jaka man laki dong kiton be kini ki pharmacy but umdai tang kawai ar ki babon tali ba ki pharmacy te ka medical ka health facilities shani rumah kuman ang na ka biang palat